Hello traders, let's analyze the Tata Group stocks which is as a more weightage in the Nifty market, and we had a major news in the Tata EV, Tata Steel and Tata Motors. So in Tata EV the network is expansion begins, whereas in the steel it cuts the emission, and the green shift project has been coming up in the line, and Tata Motors is performing very good and it beats the earnings expectations as well. So let's analyze the each stock of Tata. So I'm going with the TCS stock. As I could able to see the market in the support area currently. So this acts as a S1, whereas the S2 is over here. And before that I am just marking this as S1. The level is 3504, whereas the S2 is 3389. So once market broke this level, we can expect a move in the sense, so up to this level. Where it exactly reaches is here, so 3324. So this is a key region in the upcoming days, whereas in the resistance, market took a resistance exactly over here and getting reversal. So I'm changing this in a green color, where this is a R1, the level is 3602. So I'm not currently focusing on the resistance level due to the market pressure and inconsistent over the market. This needs to be filled where we could able to see a gap. So you can mark this as in the chart as well. Let me take this. I don't know where I kept that tool. I think it should be, it's not here. It's over here. So you could able to see, right, this gap needs to be filled. So the key important levels for the upcoming days is S1, R1 and S2. So we need to focus this. If market breaks and close a candle over below the S1, you can surely expect a gap that needs to be filled up to this candle, where it comes and reach 3389, which is a support. So analyzing the Titan stock. So from Titan also we have a inconsistence over the market. So see, this is a gap which is not filled, and this is a gap which is partially filled by this candle on April 9, but these are the levels which all are pending. When we look at this Titan stock, the resistance is over here, which is an R1. So currently I'm not focusing on the resistance too, because of this a quite selling pressure over the market. It's 3615. So this is a resistance, and I'm expecting a support which if you are buying to look to hold in a long term, you can look on this region. Changing the color of the label. So these two region. So this is a good buying zone. So I'm changing the color to green, which indicates a good idea of buying in future. So if you are looking for a buy, this is a good level, where S1 is around 3377, and whereas the S2 is around 3323. So if you are buying in the upcoming, looking for buying in the upcoming days, these are the good levels for buying in the Titan stock. Okay, and let's go for Tata Motors, which is performing good. But even though if it is performing good, market has a selling pressure. So we can see this resistance line means trend line resistance has been broken out. But even though if it is broken, market needs to come where it has an inducement over here, where it has an inducement, and I'm expecting a good zone of reversal is this So this is a good buying demand zone. So according to me, I'm expecting this is a good support, which is at 681. S1 is around 681. It's a good buying level. And the second buying level I am expecting, if it reaches this in 3 to 4 days, I'm expecting this can be act as a good support, so which is at 662. So I'm not thinking about the resistance because market is free to go. I'm expecting a small correction over in the Tata Motors. When it comes to the Tata Steel, I'm expecting a small correction over also over here also. See, before that it needs to get activate this sell. Let's see whether it's going to get activate this sell zone. Changing the color, where this sell zone, if get activated, it can fall up to this buying zone. So this is a good buying zone. So for the support is here, which is S1 at 152, and the support 2 is over here. The S2 is 148. Okay, so these are the good levels of buying over in the Tata Steel upcoming days. If it is breaks further, you can buy on the next support level, key high demand key level. Which is at 141. So if the sell get activates, we need to wait for confirmation and then only we need to go for the key demand level, because if you go naked, you may expect some more losses over here. But if you if you want to hold for a long time, it's not an issue. Maybe you may focus on hedging, but going with confirmation is safe for each and everything. I hope the analysis of Tata Groups is useful to you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.